Hey guys, this is an ultrasonic toothbrush. I'm going to show you guys what's in the box and how to use it. We just got this for my 11-year-old daughter and she's really excited about it, but I wanted to show it to you guys first. So one of the features that I really liked about the toothbrush is the 5 different modes that come with the cleaning. It says here, it says clean, whiten, polish, milder, and soft. I'm not sure if you guys can see that there. And then the button to start it or to switch modes protrudes out just a little bit from it right here. And it has like a little graded kind of edge, so you could kind of feel the difference between the brush itself and the start button. Now it's super easy to use. First of all, to turn it on, you just hold it down for a second and it turns on. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This is on soft mode. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to clean mode. And you can actually, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, you guys, but over here, I can totally see the vibration of the bristles and how it changes every time. Let's see if you guys can see that. How it changes every time I change the setting. Now it does have a 2-minute timer, which is awesome because at 11-year-old girl, you know, you want to make sure that she's brushing her teeth for the proper length of time. It's easy to fit in the hands, but it is large. It is an adult-sized toothbrush. This isn't for like toddlers or tiny children. As you can see, I'm holding it here in my hand, and it definitely is a standard size toothbrush. Now when I opened the box, it came here without the head attached. I went ahead and attached the head for the video. So you see how the head's here. It goes on this. You just insert it and twist. Pretty straightforward. But I was like, where is the charging base? I thought this little extra black piece that you're seeing here was just the extra heads. And I did find out that the charging base is inside of this black box that is in there. So it comes with some extra heads first of all. Here they are. They're each individually wrapped, so you can just kind of toss them in a drawer for your kids or for yourself and not have to worry about them getting contaminated in the meantime. But then all the way at the bottom of the box is the charging cable. It is USB charging, so if you don't have like a block to insert it in, you'll either need a block or you're going to need one of those outlets that have the USB insertion, and it connects right there. And so yeah, you'll just charge straight into the toothbrush right here on the bottom. So you won't be able to charge it standing up. The child, you'll have to lay it down. My child will have to lay it down, or you will have to lay it down to charge it. But otherwise, it does have a flat bottom that you can stand and leave it on the counter. We're really excited about this toothbrush. We really think it's going to work great. We've purchased similar products in the past and have really good luck with it. So if you guys are interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.